All right, thank you so much. So we were looking at those images there from Cuba. That's what's new today. But before that, Hurricane Melissa first made landfall a little bit further to the south in Jamaica. And we also know that there are some people from the state of Indiana who were there as that storm came through.
Our Ella Roach checked in with them. She joins us now. And Ella, how are they doing? Are they safe?
Yeah, good evening. They are safe. The Taylor family, they actually went to Jamaica for their 15th wedding anniversary on a trip. They are safe and they are okay, which is good news. They're hanging in there. And they described what they heard during the storm and the devastation they saw after it.
Sheets of heavy rain poured down in Jamaica during Hurricane Melissa. Barb and Brian Taylor caught it all on camera.
It's warlike. It's I don't know, catastrophic.
We talked with them over the phone since the signal is too weak for a video call. Thankfully, they still have power and electricity.
When you roll the dice and say, let's give it a try, let's go in it early, and just hope they're wrong, it breaks up, it loses power, it stays a storm, and you know, whatever happens, happens.
They planned this trip for their 15th wedding anniversary after COVID canceled their plans for their 10th. They decided to brave the storm at the resort where they booked their trip. They hunkered down in the bathroom of their hotel room, even built a fort with the mattress, sheets, and pillows to keep safe.
Well, the whole floor was splash, splash, splash. And again, the outlet in our room caught fire because of the water that was running down the walls.
Barb Taylor says they played music to drown out the howling wind, but that didn't block out the strength of Melissa.
The wall that we had our backs against was just vibrating and flexing, and the wind was just growling.
Wednesday, they woke up to clear skies, but devastation covers every corner. Trees down on the beach, fallen cabanas, the lobby littered with wood used to board up windows and damaged furniture.
It's tragic when we did a walk around this morning and to greet the staff, happy to see you, and they respond and how's their family, and then their face goes real sullen, and many of them haven't been able to contact them.
The Taylors say that's the hardest part, people not knowing how their loved ones are doing.
Really, really breaks your heart to see that kind of concern in these people.
Now the cleanup starts after surviving the strongest hurricane to ever hit Jamaica.
Now, the Taylors are safe and they have checked in with their family. Their flight back to Indy is actually scheduled for Sunday, but they're waiting to hear from the airport about if that's still possible.
Okay, I mean, just the images are astonishing, and we were just saying, like, this is the resort. Imagine what the rest of the island could potentially look like.
Yeah. All right, thank you so much, Ella.
Thank you.